everybody, it's Cree from Black Girls Speak Spanish too, and I wanted to come on and do a quick video to show you how easy it is to conjugate AR verbs. As you know, or you may not know, in Spanish we have AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. So we have three different kinds: AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. And usually when I'm teaching verbs, the first family is the AR family, and they're just merely regular AR verbs that end in AR. You might ask, well, Cree, why do you say regular? I say regular because just like we have regular verbs, we also have irregular verbs. And there are verbs that follow the rules and verbs that don't. And so those are some of the similarities between the English and Spanish languages. There's always an exception to the rule. And so with Spanish, with AR verbs, there are 5 endings that you need to remember, and 5 endings only when you're speaking in present tense. And those endings are o, as, a, amos, on. O, as, a, amos, on. Those are the only endings you need to know when speaking in the present tense in Spanish with regular verbs. O, as, a, amos, on. And so now what I want to do is, if you look on this side, you'll see 3 regular verbs. And I say regular. You can't see this part up here. It says regular AR verbs. The word hablar means to talk or speak. The word cantar means to sing. And the word bailar means to dance. And so I'm going to conjugate the word hablar for you so that you can see how we conjugate. Conjugation is so important. A lot of times when we're in Spanish classes, we don't learn how to really conjugate and speak, but we learn what objects are. And as you and I both know, we can't really communicate effectively just by being able to list objects. And so I want to show you how easy it is to learn the Spanish language. And I want to start with the AR verb conjugation. So with the o, as, a, amos, on, I like to draw a line. Some people teach it different ways. Some teach it by using boxes. But I want to just put lines here and just show you o, as, a, amos, on, and how easy it is to start to speak in Spanish when you're able to conjugate. I'm going to put the word hablar here, H-A-B-L-A-R, and it means to talk or to speak. And so with knowing this word ends in AR, knowing that it ends in AR, we're going to take off the AR. And what we have left is called the base or the stem. The base or the stem. And we're going to take that base or the stem and we're going to plug it on each one of those lines. So we have H-A-B-L, or in Español, H-A-B-L, y vamos a poner, we're going to put those letters in las líneas, okay? So we have H-A-B-L, 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 H-A-B-L. Muy bien, now help me say it. H-A-B-L. Muy bien, hablan. So now we have these words. So first person is hablo, hablas. Second person. Third person is habla. And then we have hablamos. And then we have hablan. So if I want to say I speak Spanish, I would simply say yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. If I want to say you speak Spanish, I would say tú hablas. Tú hablas español. We don't capitalize the E on español. We don't do that in Spanish. So names of languages are not capitalized, okay? Tú hablas. Next we have he, she, or it speaks. So we have él, ella, or usted, formal usted. That's a person that might be a pastor or a teacher, someone you don't know, somebody that you want to give high respect to. That's how I remember it. So it's the formal you. So it's él, ella, usted habla. Hablamos is the we form. It means we. So the word nosotros means we. I went back and put he for él, she for ella, and you for usted, formal, and the we means nosotros, okay? Here we have hablan, and these two are plural. These are plural. when you are speaking about more than one person. That's singular. This is plural, more than one. So hablan. And we have ellos. Now, ellos is feminine. I'm sorry, my bad. Ellos is masculine because ellos could be a group of men, all men, or a group of men and women mixed together. So it's a mixed crowd. You would just ask questions to verify, was it girls or was it girls and boys? Or you would ask questions. When you see ellas, E-L-L-A-S, that means all girls. It's feminine. It's no doubt because we have the A. So it's all feminine. So we have ellos, ellas, and then we have ustedes, UDS period. That's the formal plural form of you. The formal plural form of you. So if I wanted to say I speak Spanish, I would say yo hablo español. If I wanted to say you speak Spanish, I would say tú hablas español. If I wanted to say he, she, or you speak Spanish formal you, or it, I would say habla. Ella habla, Lisa habla, Kim habla, Ray habla, Ahmad habla. Okay? Nosotros hablamos. That's we. Myself is included. Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. And the last one is they. Ellos hablan. Ellos meaning all boys or a mixed crowd of boys and girls. Ellas means all girls. And ustedes could be a mixed crowd. You just have to determine if it was all boys, all girls. You could just ask questions in conversation. So we have ellos, ellas, and ustedes hablan. So ellos hablan en la oficina. They talk in the office. Ellos hablan en la cafeteria. They talk in the cafeteria. Ellos hablan en el gimnasio. They talk in the gymnasium. Yo hablo español en la oficina. I speak Spanish in the office. No hablo español. I don't speak Spanish. So to negate something, you just say no in front of it. So you don't talk would be tú no hablas. Or she doesn't talk would be ella no habla. We don't talk would be nosotros no hablamos. This one would be ellos no hablan. Okay? Ellos no hablan. They don't talk. We just say no. We put no in there. So the endings in present tense for regular AR verbs are o, as, a, amos, an. O, as, a, amos, an. And so those are the 5 endings that you have to remember when you want to speak in present tense in Spanish with regular verbs. And we're only dealing with regular verbs right now. We'll get to irregular verbs later. But that's regular. So the endings are what? O, as, a, amos, an. That's it for AR verbs. And that's easy. So the extra verbs that we have over here, cantar and bailar, we would conjugate them the same way. Take off the AR, take the base of the stem, write it on each line, add your endings. Take off the AR, take the stem, write the stem on each line. Take off the AR, take the stem, write it on each line, and you have your pronouns. Of course, we have to memorize those. But this is going to come in time. You'll remember those. But the most important thing is to remember your endings. O, as, a, amos, an. And that's how we conjugate AR verbs. Okay? Any questions, hit me up. Feel free to email me at blackgirlspeakspanish2@gmail.com. You can text me or you can leave me a message in the comments below the video. I look forward to continuing this conversation because, again, verb conjugation isn't difficult. You just need a little practice and learn the patterns. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.